What is the primary reason why it is dangerous to touch electrical appliances with wet hands? And the correct answer is the primary reason is that water is a good conductor of electricity, which increases the risk of electric shock. Which of the following materials is classified as a good conductor of electricity? And the correct answer is metals such as copper are classified as good conductors of electricity. What is the purpose of using a tester in electrical experiments? And the correct answer is the purpose of using a tester is to determine whether a material allows electric current to pass through it. And the correct answer is a battery should be used to replace the cell in the tester. What should be used to replace the cell in the tester? Which liquid is known to be a poor conductor of electricity? And the correct answer is distilled water is known to be a poor conductor of electricity. What happens to the bulb in a tester when the liquid between its ends conducts electricity? And the correct answer is when the liquid conducts electricity, the circuit of the tester becomes complete and the bulb glows. What is the effect of electric current on a conducting solution? And the correct answer is the effect of electric current on a conducting solution includes chemical reactions, gas bubble formation, and color changes. Which of the following liquids is likely to show deflection in a compass needle when tested? And the correct answer is liquids like lemon juice or vinegar are likely to show deflection in a compass needle when tested. What is the role of the electrodes in the electrolysis process? And the correct answer is the electrodes serve as the sites for oxidation and reduction reactions during electrolysis. What is the chemical effect observed when electric current passes through water? And the correct answer is the chemical effect observed is the production of gas bubbles, specifically hydrogen and oxygen. Which of the following is a common application of electroplating? And the correct answer is a common application of electroplating is to coat metal objects with a thin layer of another metal for protection or aesthetic purposes. What happens to the copper ions in a copper sulfate solution during electroplating? And the correct answer is the copper ions in the copper sulfate solution are drawn to the negative electrode and get deposited on it. Why is distilled water considered a poor conductor of electricity? And the correct answer is distilled water is considered a poor conductor because it lacks dissolved salts and minerals. What is the significance of using lead in place of a bulb in a tester? And the correct answer is LEDs can glow even with a weak electric current, making them more sensitive than traditional bulbs. Which of the following substances, when dissolved in distilled water, makes it a good conductor? And the correct answer is substances like common salt or acids, when dissolved in distilled water, make it a good conductor. What is the primary chemical reaction that occurs during electrolysis? And the correct answer is the primary chemical reaction during electrolysis involves the dissociation of compounds into their constituent ions. How does the presence of mineral salts in water affect its conductivity? And the correct answer is the presence of mineral salts increases the conductivity of water, making it a better conductor. What is the main concern regarding the disposal of used conducting solutions in electroplating factories? And the correct answer is the main concern is that used conducting solutions can be polluting waste and require proper disposal to protect the environment. Which electrode should be connected to the positive terminal of the battery during copper purification? And the correct answer is the thin plate of pure copper should be connected to the positive terminal to facilitate the transfer of copper ions. What is the primary reason for shutting off the electrical supply before using water hoses in case of fire? And the correct answer is shutting off the electrical supply prevents the risk of electric shock when using water, which is a good conductor. How does the conductivity of seawater compare to that of drinking water? And the correct answer is seawater has a higher conductivity than drinking water due to the presence of more dissolved salts. What is the expected outcome when testing fruits and vegetables for electrical conductivity? And the correct answer is testing fruits and vegetables is expected to show varying degrees of conductivity based on their water and mineral content. What is the primary purpose of electroplating in industrial applications? And the correct answer is the primary purpose of electroplating is to enhance the properties of the base metal, such as corrosion resistance and appearance. How does the process of electroplating help in preventing corrosion? And the correct answer is electroplating helps prevent corrosion by providing a protective layer over the base metal. What is the significance of the greenish-blue spot observed around the positive terminal in Boudou's experiment with the potato? And the correct answer is the greenish-blue spot indicates the deposition of copper around the positive terminal, demonstrating the chemical effect of electric current.